Hi, my name is Marcos and today we're gonna be using Aqua Wax #1. Stay tuned so you can see the final result. Aqua Wax #1 with an amazing bubblegum fragrance. It creates long-lasting, stylish hair with a shiny finish.
Got a real tight grip when I hold that crown. My life been good and bad and all around. The more things I lost, the more I found. One thing I taught myself to do, no matter the problem, refuse to lose. So, how you want it, man? You can choose. If you can't take the heat, don't light the fuse. See, I walk in slow and ignite the room. Like fire, everything I touch, I consume. I'm getting up while y'all just snooze. While you make breakfast, man, I'm on the move. I'm the first one in and the last one out. Whoever owns the place gotta drag me out. In me I trust, yeah I smell like success, this Elon Musk, huh? Everybody wanna be like us, we don't stop cause the top just ain't enough, huh? I ain't never gay, no fucks, I ain't scamming, you know black men.
Thank you for choosing Nishman products and stay tuned for more videos coming up. Bye bye.